Hello, trading is closed on August 13th, 2019. We'll go over our calls. We had some higher targets and they did print. There's also a lower target from the 7th of August. We hit it pretty much on the nose in futures. It's significant, but it's not enough to cross it off the list, which only talks about regular trading hours. This pattern had the early high. When it doesn't close near the high of the day, it typically drops in a straight line. Either one of those things happen. Tomorrow's open is a surrogate for today's close, so the expectation is either we'll gap up and take this out fast or else a straight line drop. The fact that futures are up now doesn't mean you won't gap in a straight line down tomorrow. Here was a buy signal that worked. MEJT said that drop was false, said the rally was false. Those have all played out. Tuesday's pattern, that was today, we still had the early high. We didn't get either one of those things, and we didn't get the rally into the close with a straight line drop, so the expectation is you'll see one or the other tomorrow. We have higher targets. We got them. This doesn't have to be the start of wave. This could be blue 1, blue 2. This doesn't have to be the start of wave blue 3, but if we rally impulsively, it probably is. My problem is I can't count this as a 5-wave impulsive structure, even in the subwaves, and that implies to me this might be a 3 and something else might be going on. Not for certain yet. Well, we have this as a possible 2, but it's also possible to count this as A and B with a big C drop in front of us. Don't know at this point. Here's the way I originally counted it, but suppose that's purple A, a different purple A. If that's A and that's B, then A, B, C have a fib relationship, and this wave C I put an asterisk instead of saying C of A. This is a 61.8% correction. Also, it stopped without clearing the high of the prior wave 4. It stopped at resistance right where it likes to stop if this rally isn't going to go any further. We also have a stilt. A stilt, here's an inverted, a diamond on stilts. Here's the origin of the left stilt, and that's resistance. Notice this all-day rally could not clear these prior highs. Still could tomorrow, but it hasn't happened yet, despite having plenty of time to do it. If that is what's going on, if this is A and that's B, and if C is equal to A, as it often is, it targets about 2740. And what's really frightening is if this is an ABC here, and 2740 is the target, should be right at 78.6. Right there. Anyway, what's really frightening about the whole thing, if that's what's going on, you take the target from this high and this low and set it at 61.8. You get pretty much the same number. Wednesday's pattern has the early low. Doesn't mean you won't gap up. Today's rally had numerous flaws. Breadth didn't improve. A day-long rally couldn't clear the prior highs at the close. Resistance at the origin of the inverted diamond on stilts. Can't count this as a 5-wave structure, although that could change. We don't take out this high early. It's a negative pattern. It's not as clear as I would like, but if you're a bull, you need to clear today's high promptly, ideally by gapping over it. If, underline the word if, we start an impulsive move down, there's a legitimate Fibonacci target at 2740, and it means the bears aren't through yet. So tomorrow's pattern has the early low. If you're a bull, you better hope this gets cleared fast. And if you're a bear and we start dropping in an impulsive move, you're going to get paid off in spades with a legitimate target at 2740, and that's today's call.